चाहती हूँ आपसे, जो एक्टर या एक्ट्रेसेस फिल्म फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं, उन्हें सर्वाइव इस इंडस्ट्री में करना काफ़ी आसान होगा है, आप क्या कहेंगे?
Even if you're from a filmy background, yes, you get your first step into the industry. लेकिन उसके बाद you have to prove yourself, like any other person in the industry, whether you're from a filmy background or not. You have to prove yourself in the sense that if you're capable, if you got the X factor, if you're a good actor, if you're working with good people. And I feel कि ठीक है, हम लोग के लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है पहला कदम रखना, लेकिन after that it's the same. We have to struggle and we show our talent. So I guess I'm lucky and I'm fortunate enough that I've got a chance in this industry to show people that if I'm talented or not, and you know. क्या क्या? There's so many underrated actors. I think क्योंकि हमारी इंडस्ट्री में इतना ज़्यादा टैलेंट है that some actors are very underrated. Like I feel Ajay Devgan and Saif Ali Khan is one of my favorite actors, and now he's showing what he is, and I'm so happy because I'm a huge fan of him. There's so many, yes. I'm a fan of Mithun and I loved his songs from the moment I heard them. कई गाने होते हैं जहाँ आप एक बार सुनो, दो बार सुनो, तीन बार सुनो, तब अच्छे लगने लगते हैं. जी, I have not really crossed. It took a story on that. Some lines should not be crossed, and what happens if they are crossed? Basically, that's our plan.
शादीशुदा होते हुए भी आपसे लड़ा है